In the age of autonomous commerce, what if your biggest competitor isn't another brand, but an AI agent? And what if the only thing protecting your innovation is your patent portfolio? AI agents are changing the way we shop. From Daydream's controversial shopping assistant to smart fabrics and 3D printed sneakers, fashion technology is evolving faster than ever. But the real winners aren't just creating the technology, they are protecting it. So fashion has always moved fast, but now with AI agents recommending products, 3D printing cutting design cycles, and wearables tracking performance, the pace is exponential. The problem: these innovations are easy to copy once they hit the market. A startup may launch a groundbreaking AI-driven shopping assistant, only to watch rivals replicate it within weeks. Without patents, trade secrets, and a smart IP strategy, competitors can ride your momentum, erode your margins, and dilute your differentiation. In fashion technology, defensibility is not optional, it's survival. So here are how innovators are protecting their breakthroughs. AI shopping agents. Daydream uses NLP and image recognition to interpret vague prompts, like "show me a dress that's not too low cut." Patents protect their methods for real-time data fusion across text, images, and behavioral signals. In smart textiles, companies like Under Armour embed sensors into fabric, protected by patents covering fabrication techniques like moisture-wicking circuitry that keeps textile comfortable yet functional. In 3D printed apparels, Nike and Stratasys rely on patents for multi-material printing, allowing them to design waste-free garments while blocking competitors from using the same manufacturing techniques. For IoT-enabled supply chains, Walmart's AI-driven inventory systems are patent protected to keep rivals from copying their predictive algorithms that achieve above 90% stock accuracy. Each patent doesn't safeguard technology. It accelerates go-to-market or GTM strategies by discouraging copycats, building investor confidence, and keeping pricing power. Take Nike's self-lacing sneakers. When they launched, competitors couldn't release similar product because Nike's patents effectively blocked the field. Or consider Daydream. Before launching, they patented the NLP shopping interface and cross-brand inventory systems. That protection allowed them to partner with thousands of brands and scaling to a $300 million valuation and shut out competitors. In each case, patents turned launches into moats. They didn't just protect products, they secured market dominance, playing a major role in your go-to-market strategy. So in fashion technology, patents are no longer a legal afterthought. They are the foundation of competitive advantage. Whether it's AI agents driving shopping, smart textiles weaving data into fabric, or IoT predicting what's next, the brands that will file early and think globally will control the future of autonomous commerce. So here's the takeaway. Before you launch your breakthrough in AI and fashion technology, make sure your differentiators are patented. Otherwise, you're not just innovating for yourself. You are now technologically enabling your competitors to copy you. Drop a comment with a fashion technology trend you think will dominate the next decade, and check out our other videos for more on how patentpc.com helps startups secure defensibility in the trillion era of machine-driven commerce.